Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to change background on Payhip. Open Payhip official website guys on your computer, and on the home page click the customize design, and by scroll down choose the customize design option. By hitting this option, after that you will show the page customize the design, and the left side you show different option, and click the change store style option. By scroll down here you can change your store color and option. Now and store style you will show different option like color, font, and you can also show your cookies banner them, and advance the color option, and you can start editing your color, and you will see different color, and click start editing your color option. And the first step to select the color you would like to edit, the next step you have to edit the color, and after adding everything you can rest to default them option, and you can switch to another theme by clicking the provided option here, and you will be able to see version them option, and you can choose the theme and switch them. Now you can be changed. Also you can view different theme color option, and you can change the background as I am doing, as you can see here, and publish it. So guys, I hope this is helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe for more content.